Hi guys and welcome to 123. In this video I will show you how to back up WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. Okay guys, so you have a new iPhone or you want to reset your iPhone and you don't want to lose your WhatsApp messages, you will need to do a backup and restore. In this video I will show you how to do a backup and restore via iCloud. Let's get started. The first step is to log on to your iCloud account with your Apple ID and turn on a service called iCloud Drive. To find it, go into Settings and then iCloud. Scroll to the bottom and you should see your WhatsApp toggle switch. If it's off, turn it on. And then also make sure your iCloud Drive button is turned on. If you go into your iCloud backup, it should be on as well. And feel free to turn off anything you don't need like books and shortcuts. Okay, we have now turned on iCloud backup for WhatsApp. Let's go ahead and do a backup of the messages in WhatsApp. Go into WhatsApp and tap the Settings tab down the bottom. Next, go into Chats and then Chat Backup. Under Chat Backup, you will have a few options. The first one is Auto Backup. This allows you to set an automatic backup of the chats to iCloud Drive. Maybe set this to once a month, should be sufficient. The second option is Include Videos. Remember that if you only have 5 GB of backup space on your iCloud Drive, then maybe leave this option turned off. Press Backup now, and this should start to back up your WhatsApp messages. Make sure you do this when you're on your Wi-Fi, otherwise it might eat up your cellular data. Depending on how much data you have, it might take a little while. Okay, now you have done a backup, let's see how to do a restore. I will delete the WhatsApp app and reinstall it. Open WhatsApp and agree and continue. Enter in your phone number and set up WhatsApp. After you enter in your phone number, it will ask you if you want to do a restore from iCloud. Just tap Restore Chat History. It should then go ahead and download all your chat history, messages, videos and pictures. You can see here it has restored 10 messages. Simply tap Next. Go ahead and enter in your display name. Once this is done, you should be able to go in and check your chats. All your messages should be restored now. Also guys, don't forget to check out my other videos such as unboxing of the Aurorus KD25F gaming monitor, and do me a favour, hit the subscribe button and smash the bell icon.